What is escrow? Escrow is when an impartial third party holds on to something of value during a transaction. That typically is the buyer's deposit. So how does this work? When you make an offer on a home, you'll write a check that is literally made out to escrow that will be submitted to an escrow office. Become escrow. That means that this money isn't going directly to the seller, but it's being held by a third party until you and the seller negotiate a contract and close the deal. You can't touch it and the seller can't touch it. It's in escrow. That's important because it protects both parties. Say you put down earnest money that went directly to the seller and then couldn't reach a final purchase and sales agreement. You don't want the seller holding your earnest money hostage as a negotiating ploy. Likewise, the seller won't want to sign over the deed to the home until you've paid for it. And you won't want to hand over your hard-earned cash without the deed being signed. Escrow ensures everyone gets what they're due at essentially the same time. It's the safest way to handle a transaction, especially when you're representing yourself. Finally, you may hear me or others refer to the closing of escrow. That's when your home purchase is completed. A closing officer or escrow officer will oversee the final paperwork and handle the exchange of funds and recording of deeds in the county that the property is in. This person, sometimes an attorney, will ensure that all the money is properly dispersed and that the documents are signed and recorded, and that all necessary conditions are met before closing the escrow. That term is synonymous with transferring the legal rights from you as the seller to the new buyer. Once escrow is closed, the new buyer can move in and has the ownership rights and responsibilities.